ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about my daily routine. Wake up. Get up. I get up at 6 o'clock in morning. Have breakfast. I have breakfast. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Wash my face. I wash my face. Get dressed. I get dressed. Go to school. I go to school. Take classes. I take classes at school. Have lunch. I have lunch at the canteen. Play with friends. I play with my friends. Come home. I come home. Do my homework. I do my homework. Have dinner. I have dinner. Take a shower. I take a shower. Go to bed. I go to bed. Good night. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.